Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy to have you back with me. So today I couldn't get any pound Aussie trade in. I was too busy in the morning again with other work I had. But essentially the pound Aussie was it moved sideways for pretty much the majority of the day. Right now it's 10:40 p.m. in the evening when I'm recording this. We did get a bullish trend up. It was at this high volume node, and then it trended up higher to this volume point of control. So for those of you in the what do you call it, my Fiverr program, you guys would have you could have taken advantage of the pivot points that usually occur around this area. So it went up for quite a bit. But this is throughout the day. So usually if I was to trade it, I would have probably gone for 40-50 pips. In any case, that's that. For the pound New Zealand tonight, I also it was just being too there was also momentum to the downside, and what do you call it, it just didn't fit my criteria as far as coming down to this low volume node for me to be comfortable to take the trade higher, fade it higher. It may do that maybe later in the evening, closer to the London session. But again, I would probably have to go to sleep, so I won't stay awake for that. In any case, it still got some moves in there, about 40 pips. So there was some action. But generally, because there was no news tonight, it was not really a major news day, except for in the morning with the non-farm employment change. There wasn't much action in the evening. It was a slower Asian session, so I couldn't take the trades that I wanted to take, although the market did what it does. So in any case, that's what it is. So all the action was actually on the future side. This morning I made about 3 ticks on the S&P ES, which is about $37 gross minus commission. Would be, you probably take $4 off of that. And so where did I get in on this one? I got in just about here. This is the 9:30. Where's the 9:30? Yeah, so that's about the 9:30 a.m. Open, New York open. Price just went sideways. Came back down to test my fib level. I took a buy limit order. Went up for 11 ticks before it reversed in the afternoon, actually quite sharply. So in any case, I just I was a little hesitant here when I was trading. You'll see it in the highlights. So I just let it go for I try to get 1 point out of it, but I got filled at 3 ticks. 1 point is 4 ticks. So in any case, it's okay. Being conservative is usually better than trying to chase it higher. So, and good thing I did, because it would have moved lower. So that's that, and that's pretty much it. Right now it's sitting out. Yeah, it's going pretty much sideways. Markets have generally both forex and futures markets lately have been very much sideways markets. So this has been basically the theme of the past few weeks. In any case, thanks again for watching. I hope you guys take some nuggets out of that. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.